Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over an across the floor combo that uses drawbacks and Cincinnatis. So it's mainly Cincinnatis, and actually the drawbacks are crossing drawbacks. So if you don't know Cincinnati or drawback / crossing drawback, I would recommend going and finding those steps in my Tap Step Tutorials playlist that I have linked in my description box below, learning them in those videos, and then coming back to this video to learn this across the floor combo. So let's go ahead and get started here. So we're going to do different numbers of shuffles, if that makes sense, on the Cincinnati. So we're going to start with that pickup. So Cincinnatis can be started multiple different ways. You can start it with the pickup into the shuffle. So from here, you can start it with the drawback, or you can start it with, what's the third one? With the heel. Is that one? Yeah, you can start it with the heel. Heel shuffle, heel drawback. Yes, okay. So there's 3 different ways that you can start a Cincinnati. I'm going to start it with the pickup, with the spank. So we're going to start with the right foot first. So we're going to do on the dig, starting with the spank on the right. So we're going to go spank, heel, shuffle, heel, drawback, all on the right foot. So here we go. Spank, heel, shuffle, heel, drawback. Okay. And the reason I'm doing it this way is so that you can see what my feet are doing, and I don't have enough space going this way. So I'm going to go to the side. Okay. So single shuffle on the right. So we have spank, heel, shuffle, heel, drawback. From here, you're going to go shuffle, heel, drawback. So now we're on to the 2. So 2 shuffles on the left. Here we go. We have shuffle, heel, drawback. Now we're going to do a triple. So we're going to go, the pattern is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, and then some crossing drawbacks. So now we're going to go into a triple on the right. So shuffle, heel, drawback on the right. Did I say that right? Shuffle, heel, drawback. Yeah, 3 of them. Okay, so let's start from the top again. So we have our single on the right, double left, 1, 2, triple right, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to go back down. Now we're going to go back to 2 on the left again. Shuffle, heel, drawback. You're going to do your single, shuffle, heel on the right. And then we're going to do crossing drawback on the right over left. Back on the left. And then we're going to end it with a dig on the right so that we can start with that spank again on the right foot. So like you can see, this combo does not switch sides. It stays on the right foot. So, you know, if you go one way, do it all the way on the right. And then when you switch sides, you would do it all the way on the left. It doesn't go back and forth. So again, the pattern is single, double, triple, double, single, drawback, drawback, dig. Okay. So again, from the top, we start with our dig on the right. We have spank, heel, shuffle, heel, drawback. 2. Here's a triple, 3. Back to double, 2. Single, cross, and dig. And then we start again, okay? So I'm not moving very much. And with drawbacks, you can totally get away with it. If you don't want to move a lot, you don't have to. You can definitely stay in place, or with Cincinnatis, I said drawbacks, but Cincinnatis. You can either stay in place or you can move super far back. It's really up to where you put your steps. So if I'm putting my steps right back where they started here, right in the center, they're going to keep me in the center. If I step super far back, right, then I'm going to move further back if I step farther back. So it's up to you as the dancer where you step. Depends on how far back you go. Okay, so let's try it one more time on the right, and then we'll break it down on the left. Or maybe I'll do it facing, I'm going to face the back this time. So start with that dig. Start with the spank on the right. Here we go. single, double, triple, double, single, drawback, drawback, dig. 5, 6, starts on and a 1 as well. I forgot to mention. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, double, triple, double, single, drawback, drawback, dig. Good, nicely done. If you do want it to switch, you could totally do on the last one. There's the last Cincinnati, the single. You can do 3 drawbacks and end it with a dig on the left, and that's totally fine. It will just end on a different count. So right now we're ending on 8. So if we start here, let me count it out for you. So it's and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6, 7 and 8. If you were to start it with, if you were to end it with the 3 drawbacks on the end, it would end on and a 1. So you would go here and you would start and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So you could totally switch sides with this if you are okay with starting the dig on 1 and then starting, so it would be like a beat behind each time. You would start the spank on and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8 and a 1 and a 2 and a, so you would be a beat behind each time. So it's up to you. I like ending it on the 8 so that I can start each time with the and a 1. Well, that's always an option for you. So let's go left side now. So that was just right side. So left side now, we're starting with the spank on the left, starting with the heel in the dig position. So with your left foot, single shuffle on your left first. So single, double, triple, double, single. Here we go. 5, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, double, triple, double, single, drawback, drawback, dig. And again, like I said, if you wanted to finish it so that you're switching sides, you would end it with the Cincinnati on the left, the single, crossing drawback for 1, 2, 3, left, right, left, end it with a dig on the right, which you can totally do if you feel like it. So let's try the left side again. Here we go. Starting with the spank. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, double, triple, double, single, cross, cross, dig. Nicely done. For the purposes of this tutorial, I will stick with just doing the 2 drawbacks on the end with the dig ending on 8. So from the back view, left side again, here we go. And then I will show you the one that goes, switches sides. So I'll show you that version as well. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Double, triple, double, drawback, drawback, dig. And then you would start again on the left. So on and so forth. Now I'm going to show you the one that actually will switch sides. So starting on the right foot here. So ending it with the 3 drawbacks, and then so I'll do right foot, start, ending it with left foot. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Which is totally fine. You can totally do that. It's just that you're going to end a beat behind, I think, every single time. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is really fun to get your brain kind of working along with your feet, because you have to really keep track of like, which number am I on with the shuffles. So you have to really count it through. So this is a really fun exercise for you. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And if you have a song suggestion or a step suggestion, let me know in the comments section below, and I will try to get to those as soon as possible. I'm always open to new ideas, so let me know. And if you just have a question about like this combo even, let me know. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.